Hello and welcome to HP Calcs. I'm Rick, and today we're going to have a look at how we can set decimal places on the BA2 Plus Texas Instruments Financial Calculator. To do this, we'll be using the second function key that looks like this, located here, and the decimal key with the second function of format that looks like this, located down here. So when you first get your calculator and turn it on, you'll notice that there's typically 2 decimal places on your screen there. I'm guessing that's because this is a financial calculator and it kind of wants to lock in the cents on that. And when you do a calculation, like let's say 2 plus 3 equals, you get 2 decimal places. And when you get something like, say, 1 divided by 3, that rounds to 2 decimal places as opposed to keeping on going. If you want to change this, what you have to do is press second period, and you come to this screen here, DEC 2.00. That's saying there's 2 decimals there. Decimals, 2. Now we can change this to, for example, let's say 3 decimal places by pressing 3 and then pressing enter. It's very important that you hit the enter, otherwise it won't lock in. So this now has been set to 3 decimal places, and if we exit out of this and clear that and say we now do 1 divided by 2, we now get 3 decimal places there. Also, if we go 1 divided by 3, it still rounds to the 3rd decimal place. If we want to set this to a more math calculator and have a floating decimal so that it displays however many you should get, you can do this by pressing second period and then entering 9 as your decimals. Again, press enter, and then you can clear it. So now when we divide 1 divided by, say, 2, you see we only get to the 0.5 decimal place. But if we go 1 divided by 3, we see we use all the decimal places. All right, I hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.